Alright guys, so this is the continuation of the vlog when I post yesterday. We are going downstairs to get some dinner because it's dinner time. And yeah, let's go. You have the key? Ooh. Food time. Eh? Yeah. The one here could have button door, babe. Or make it stay. Make it stay.
If you can't sing, sing for more. Yeah, because we're gonna have some fun tonight right here. Right? Don't be shy, guys, because look, nobody's watching you.
No more. No more. Yeah. No, I'm gonna go down here. Thank you. Give me the fish. Yeah, what's this on it? Vegetables? No vegetables?
Yeah.
What exactly is this one?
California veg, gratinated.
Oh no, you have raw veg?
Raw veg?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, I can't just go over there with it then. Ooh. Dinner. Babe. So Jason tell them same one pasta and no shrimp. So then pick out the shrimp for him and give him pasta. Thank you. Time to begin. So guys, now I feel intimidated because guess what? When we come, they gave us water, right? I drink off my water 2 times now and I have the juice right here. So if you don't know me, I am not a juice lover. Give me my water, my good. Once the water not heavy, it tastes good, give me my water. So the juice there right there, so I'm going to drink off the water 2 times now. And every time I drink off the water, I never did pay attention till a while ago. Every time I drink off the water, somebody come full up back the glass with water. So now, me take turkey neck, right? I love turkey neck bad. So now I'm afraid to eat my turkey neck because there's not much. Man, there's not much you can do with turkey neck. You have to just eat turkey neck. So now I know that somebody definitely watch me, you know. Because if our water done 3 times now, I done the water 2 times, then them just pull it back up the 3rd time. I can't let me turkey neck. Somebody definitely out there watch me. But I'm not lie, customer service A1, A+.
1,000,000%.
Babe, them customer service good. Them ask you every 2 seconds like, are you okay? Or what are you doing? You want some wine? You want some juice? Because everything here is free. Once you pay a good money and come in, everything is free other than spa. So every minute them come ask you if you want something. So I just post one vlog. If you want to see me, I stare on the screen. And because me I read the comments them, guys, Thanks for always showing me support. I really appreciate it, man. Don't forget to share my videos. The love just make me feel sometimes emotional, but don't forget to share my videos. Like up the videos, guys. Like them, and don't be afraid to comment twice, 3 times. It no matter. Comment more than 1 time. Communicate with me in my comment section. If me do something wrong, tell me. If me do something wanna like and wanna admire, tell me. Let us talk in the comment section. Now if I drink the water and I watch. May I show now? Wanna look. I see them gonna come here. If them come, it's gonna be the full time. This is not well enough water. You know, when you try to convince yourself. Well, I guess they've never did a watch me then this time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. But another fact, I'm drink 4 glasses, you know. The fact say, them watch you like as they drink the last drip, them come give you some more. Which is good. I don't have a problem with that. How was dinner?
No, I'm full so thin.
Me too.
They tell myself so I can share and everything in a way, but right now, just to get my foot right now. Police.
I'm full. What kind of puss that? When I hear the puss bunny, come on. So, I don't think we'll go back our room yet. We're gonna look something to drink. You know, just a little something. Because, what time is it, babe? Almost 10. So it's almost 10. So we have 2 hours and a little mash to go before our anniversary. Let me know. I'm waiting. Alright guys, so we reached back in the room. They're so white. Stop it. Put them here in the fridge. Guys, don't worry. I'm not gonna go to bed with this on my head. Baby, did I worry when I see it? I just go, I wrap it up for the bed. Because I don't want it to wet up. And change off in a me. And change off in a me. You'll see, baby. You'll see. Good morning, guys. It's our anniversary.
Oh yeah, that time now.
Happy anniversary, babe. Come here. Stop. I know some people go 15, 16, 35 years and that's whoa, that's a lot. But the fact say, I never yet talked to nobody for 4 years. Like, Ooh. It was raining. Peace and tranquility. Whoa. Come here. Sit. Beside me. Good morning.
Morning.
How you feeling?
I'm awake. Feel alright, man.
Wow. Today is a big day. I'm emotional. You know what emotional side I make a come up now. Stop intimidating.
I'm not intimidated you. Me happy to you.
What I love about me the most?
Your personality.
What about my personality?
It's genuine. Very genuine.
What attracts you to me the most?
Your bumper. The hell? I first jam it's still a jam. Your bumper big.
Stop it.
Oh, I forgot Miss Desiree now artist. What attracts you to me the most is your pretty little lips. That's Miss Desiree in
No,
version.
I'm not leaving.
You don't have much.
You don't lie.
You don't have
You
much.
don't lie.
No. That's why I said I won't know if you have lip.
Yeah. You excited? Thanks for always, so patient with me. Cause me don't know how you do it, but me couldn't do it. Guess what, guys? You see that? The sun I come out. The sun is coming out. This is what I love to see. Yes. When I know me, I have to call my mother. No, I have to call my mother. I call my mother like every day. Sometimes she ignore me. Cause one time, I call her when I reach out her gate. And I see the lady have the phone in her hand and answer. You see? I can call her. Call me like a mommy, put me so me. Call my mama. My mama. I don't know me put on lip gloss because my nose say I go put on a mask. We're gonna eat breakfast now and I never remember say Jason want we go at the spa, so I'm gonna get a back massage. Whoosh. I truly don't know, I'm happy for that because if you watch my video, you will know that I'm always a complaint for that shoulder here. I don't know why it just a pain me, but yeah. Let's go.
Hey, man.
Oh, carrot. Oh, thank you. Me and this lip gloss and the mask. Alright, so we'll go eat some breakfast. Drop this. Great record.
Hey, big up here. You want to take a picture? Because we want a picture to you. So,
Into your treatment room. Thank you. Just eczema. Eczema and any pregnancy? No. You know, when the last time I get my massage? Probably about 3 years now. Jeez, 3, probably 4. When me and Jason just stop 4, but yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Absolute pleasure pampering you, and my name is Tashika. I do hope you enjoy your massage.
Thank you so much. That felt so good. The sleep me, people don't please asleep. Yes. Guys, the service was excellent. Manala, what's your name again?
Tashika.
Tashika. But it was good. You gonna bring those?
Yeah, man.
It was good, my back feel nice. Woo! So good. And inside? Just finished then. Hello. Woo! Get back sleep.
No, I never did sleep, but just when we didn't want to sleep.
Is it good? You ready?
Yeah.
Well, listen, let me close my bag. Hold it.
And I have to ask me for the more massage now, right?
That was good.
How was your massage?
Awesome.
That was good. Ready? Alright, ready. Come. Pick up your water.
Don't let me have somebody like to go on move.
You better come. Alright, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Same to you.
Okay.
Woo. Guys, I bust a piece of quick nap. It was so good. She said only water for the next 30 minutes.
Yeah.
You hear what she said, babe? Only water for the next 30 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
Oh God, I feel rejuvenated.
You left a review?
Yes, I said very good with a heart.
Yo, I'm a camera, me a jump.
Oh God.
Every crinkle up in my back.
So guys, after just have me down here, I wait for him, right? Him come down here, come take lunch without me.
No, listen, no.
You
You're down here, you say, come, I think you have to say, babe, come get some of this food, yeah.
Yeah.
You see, so, right there.
Yeah.
Mad.
How you feel by yourself now?
Like
Me
a-
nothing. Nothing.
Like
Me
you
away
just now.
for you.
Oh, God, David, you're on a diet.
Wow.
You're on a diet.
Come, give me some.